The evening sun is setting. The mother is in the kitchen preparing dinner. The children are drawing at the table. The phone rings.
Hello? Yes, this is Anna. Tomorrow at 9 a.m.? A general checkup for me and the children? Yes, that's fine. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
The mother gets a call from the doctor's office. Tomorrow morning she will have a general health checkup. She will go to the doctor with her 2 children.
Kids, come here, please.
Mommy, what's happening? Did we do something wrong?
No, you did nothing wrong. Tomorrow morning we are going to the doctor.
The doctor? I feel a little scared. Doctors give injections.
Sometimes they do, but not today. Tomorrow is a checkup.
What is a checkup?
A checkup means the doctor checks your body to see if you are growing well and healthy. During a checkup, the doctor will measure your height, measure your weight, check your eyes and vision, look inside your ears, listen to your heart and lungs.
Will it hurt?
No, sweetheart. The doctor will not hurt you. The doctor helps us stay healthy.
Will you stay with us?
Of course. I will be right next to you.
I don't like doctors.
That's okay. Many children feel that way. Doctors help us when we are sick. Doctors check us when we are healthy. If you are healthy, the doctor will smile. If you are sick, the doctor will help you feel better.
I feel a little better now. Me too. A little.
I will prepare everything for tomorrow. These are your clothes for the morning. Please take a bath and brush your teeth.
Can I wear my pink sweater?
Yes, that's perfect.
Can I bring my toy car?
Yes, you can bring it for comfort.
Good night, Mommy. Good night.
Sleep well. Tomorrow will be a good day. Good morning, kids. Good morning. Let's wash our faces and eat breakfast. We have an appointment at 9 o'clock. What is an appointment? An appointment is a planned meeting. We meet the doctor at a special time. I'm eating fast. Mom, what will the doctor do first? First, the nurse will measure your height and weight. Why does she do that? Because the doctor wants to see how much you have grown. Mom, will the doctor give me superpowers? No, but if you eat your vegetables, you might feel like a superhero. What will the doctor do next? Then the doctor will check your heart, your lungs, your eyes and ears, and your reflexes. What are reflexes? Reflexes show how fast your body moves and reacts. Will the doctor listen to my heart? Yes, the doctor will listen to your heart and lungs with a stethoscope. Will the doctor look at my eyes? Yes, the doctor will check your eyes and ears to see if you can see and hear well. Mom, can the doctor hear my thoughts? No, only your heart. Your thoughts are safe in your head. Put on your jackets and shoes. I'm ready. Me too. Do we need to wait? Yes, we will wait in the waiting room. You can read a book or play quietly. I feel a little nervous. That's okay. The doctor is kind and wants to help you. Okay, I think I can do this. Mom, what if the doctor finds a monkey in my tummy? Then we will tell the monkey to go home and stop eating bananas.
Hello, my name is Anna. I am the medical assistant. I will help you before you see the doctor.
Are you a doctor?
Not yet, but I help the doctor and take care of kids.
What will you do first?
First, I will take your vital signs. That helps us see how your body is doing.
What are vital signs?
They are things like your temperature and your heart rate.
Will it hurt?
No, not at all. Look, I will check your temperature with this thermometer. It is quick.
Oh, that's easy.
Now I will measure your height and weight to see how much you have grown.
Am I taller than my brother?
Let's see. Stand straight like a tree.
What about my head?
Good question. For younger kids, I also measure head circumference. It helps track healthy growth.
Wow, you check everything.
Yes, that helps the doctor a lot.
Do we get shots today?
You may get a vaccination. It helps keep you healthy and strong.
Not today. I feel a little scared.
We will check your vision now.
What is vision?
Vision is how well you can see.
Do I need glasses?
We will check and find out. Don't worry, this test is easy and fun.
What do I do first?
First, stand here and look at the chart on the wall.
I see letters.
Great! Cover one eye with your hand.
Like a pirate?
Yes, just like a pirate. Now read the letters you can see.
E, F, P.
Very good. Now cover the other eye.
Can I try?
Of course. Take your time.
I see a house and a circle.
Perfect. This chart has pictures for kids.
What about colors?
Good question. Let's check colors now. What color is this?
Red. Green.
Excellent. Your eyes see colors very well.
Will you shine a light in my eyes?
Yes, just for a moment. Look at my nose.
It's bright, but okay.
All done. You did a great job.
So my eyes are strong?
Yes, your eyes are healthy and strong.
That was easy.
I'm proud of you. Now you are ready to see the doctor.
That was fast.
You did amazing. What are you doing in the exam room? I am cleaning, setting tools, and making sure everything is ready.
Do you help the doctor too?
Yes, I assist during exams and write notes for the doctor.
What if you need something from us?
Sometimes I collect samples like a throat swab, but I explain everything first.
I feel safe here.
I'm happy to hear that. My job is to help you feel calm and brave.
I think I'm ready for the doctor now.
Wonderful. The doctor will see you soon.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm okay.
That's good. You are very brave. Are you ready for your checkup?
Yes.
Great. First, I will listen to your heart. I will use a stethoscope. I hear a strong, happy heart.
Really?
Yes, really. Now let's check your lungs. Breathe in and out.
Like this?
Perfect. One more time. Good. Your lungs are clear and healthy.
That was easy.
You're doing an excellent job. Now I will check your ears. Very clean ears. Very healthy too.
I clean them every day.
I can tell. Now let's check your reflexes.
What do I do?
Just relax. I will tap your knee like this. Oh, perfect reflexes.
That felt funny.
Yes, reflexes can be funny. Now one last thing. Open your mouth and say, ah. Great. Everything looks good.
I'm healthy.
Yes, you are healthy and strong. Keep eating well and staying active.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. You did amazing today. Now it's your turn. Please come here and stand on the step.
Okay.
Please open your mouth wide and say, ah.
Ah.
Very good. I see a little redness in your throat. Do you have a sore throat?
A little bit. It hurts when I cough.
How long have you been coughing?
2 days. I cough more at night.
I understand. Do you cough during the day too?
Yes, but not a lot.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, I want to sleep a lot.
Okay, let me check your chest now. I will listen to heart and lungs with a stethoscope. Please take a deep breath in and breathe out.
Okay. Breath in and out.
Good job. Your heart is strong and healthy. Your lungs sound a little tired, but they are clear.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, not serious. But I will check his temperature. You have a small fever.
Is it the flu?
No, it is a mild virus. Many children get this.
Does he need antibiotics?
No antibiotics. This virus will go away with rest and care. For the cough, I will give him a children's cough syrup. He should take it 2 times a day.
After food or before food?
After food is better. I also recommend vitamin C and vitamin D. They help his body fight the virus.
Can he drink warm milk?
Yes, warm milk is good. Warm water and soup are also helpful. No cold drinks, no ice cream for a few days.
No ice cream?
Only for a short time, then you can have it again. He needs plenty of rest, lots of water, and healthy food like fruits and vegetables. He should stay home for 2 days, no school and no running.
Should he sleep more?
Yes, sleep helps the body heal. You were very brave. You will feel better soon.
Thank you, doctor, for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Please come back if the cough gets worse.
The doctor is kind. Yes, I liked the stethoscope. It was cold but funny. I'm not scared anymore. I'm very proud of you both. You were brave and listened so well. Mom, was I healthy? Yes, sweetheart. The doctor said you are healthy and growing well. What about me? You are healthy too. Your heart is strong and your lungs are clear.
But you have a mild virus. That's okay. It happens sometimes.
Am I going to be okay?
Yes, you will be just fine. The doctor said you need rest, warm drinks, and healthy food.
Do I need medicine?
Only the medicine the doctor recommended. We will follow the doctor's instructions.
Can I play today?
You can rest today and play a little tomorrow when you feel better.
Okay. That makes me happy. Mom, do we have to come again?
Yes, we will come back for another checkup next year.
I won't be scared next time.
That's great. Doctors and nurses are here to help us, not to scare us.
I liked when the doctor tapped my knee. I liked reading the letters on the wall.
You both did such a good job. Going to the doctor helps us stay strong.
Can we get a healthy snack now?
Of course. How about apples and yogurt?
Yum! Healthy food makes us strong, right?
Yes, healthy food, sleep, and checkups help our bodies grow.
Mom, next time I will help my sister if she feels scared. And I will help you too.
That makes me very happy. Taking care of each other is important. A checkup helps us stay healthy. Doctors and nurses check our hearts, lungs, eyes, and ears. They help us grow strong and feel safe. When children are brave and parents are caring, a visit to the doctor can be a good and happy experience. Doctors are here to help us grow strong and happy.